Do you have chicken at home? So make that recipe today. In a container, add 300 grams of already shredded chicken, olive to taste, a little green smell, half a grated carrot, black pepper, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd, but if you prefer you can use sour cream, 3 to 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, one teaspoon lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, and now mix everything very well. During the process, I tried the flavor and I added a little more lemon pepper, 1 spoonful of curd and 1 spoonful of mayonnaise. After mixing, your chicken pate will be ready. Look how amazing does it looks. I pass it to another container, decorated, and now just try it. Eating with that bun is perfect. Sincerely, there's no way to resist. Do it at your home that I'm sure everyone will love. That chicken pate is irresistible. Besides being very versatile, it can be eaten with bread, biscuit, or even some meal. I hope you enjoyed. This was another little recipe from the pool in the kitchen. That's strong a hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.